position. Put your hands in the treasury. We want no promises. Let me tell you, Mother Mary. We want no promises. You must make things irie. We no promises. It's for everybody. You had the greatest token. I thought that you could make the grade. Do something to stop the suffering. Civil servants also complaining. You promise, you promise, you promise. You still promising. We want no promises. We want no promises. No more propaganda and no more promises. Boom. Development, my friends on this island, it is a confusion. Some men try to run from the air, they fall in the sea and drown. When I look at young house, banana carriers on the street, with nothing to eat, what? I say them big boys of this land, why they cannot see what I see? They cripple in this country, and that is why I made my decision. I take a seat on the bench of opposition. Put your hands in the treasury. We want no promises. Let me tell you, Mother Mary. We want no promises. You must make things irie. With no promises. It's for everybody. You have the greatest token. I thought that you could make the grade. Do something to stop the suffering. Civil servants also complaining. You promise, you promise, you promise. You still promising. We want no promises. We want no promises. No more propaganda and no more promises. Oh. Working for nobody and getting no money here on this country. It is plain to see Freedom Party bring to us misery. Jack I was go mental. I took him to the hospital in the north. There was no chemical. I see man like Dr. Para, a university instructor, pack his bag and he fly to America. And that is why I made my decision. I take a seat on the bench of opposition. Put your hands in the treasury. We want no promises. Let me tell you, Mother Mary. We want no promises. You must make things irie. With no promises. It's for everybody. You are the greatest token. I thought that you could make the grade. Do something to stop the suffering. Civil servants also complaining.